our battery meant to get taken. After the last shot went down, there were several bright flashes in the distance. Something I presumed was a transformer. Area are flickering and dimming. At a rather alarming rate. Not nearly. But they have worsened. They estimate at least 40. 35 to 40 would be my best guess. The force of the wind against you is nothing short of amazing. And it continues to be fog of snow falling right now, which is very painful when it hits your face by 35 miles an hour. They're walking sideways right now. Just trying to keep up with it. It looks like my backside is getting barraged by paintballs. The local saplings quite unprepared for the storm. Let's see. At least a half foot of snow on the ground right now, and I really think that's quite a bit more. Just up here in this area, I'm measuring 10 inches. The north-facing sides of the buildings are literally getting plastered with snow right now. It's a consistency, that I've never quite seen before. It's like tape. Here's somebody's truck. It literally, its own weight is pulling it off of vehicles now. We've got a couple of hefty snowdrifts over here. Actually accumulating on piles of snow from the last storm that we had. This car's antenna actually has snow on it. I don't know if you can even see it in this weather. Upper parts of our building have a vertical accumulation of like 2 inches of snow right now. Already with the storm possibly not even at its height yet, it seemed blowing and drifting. Nothing short of phenomenal. strong wind gust right now. The drop of visibility is perceptible to the naked eye. Winds getting close to being a possible storm force. I'm really hoping the microphone is picking up the roar of the wind, because the sound it's making is just ungodly. Power of nature for all to say. And some say it hasn't even reached the halfway point yet. Rather lovely example of progress over here. Anyone who thinks there's and the electricity is just failed temporarily. I hope temporarily. The whole neighborhood is just gone dark. Houses remain lit, but the streetlights are out. Well, at a very, very low power. Still light in the post, but it's almost imperceptible. Battering the coastal regions of Delaware and Maryland right now. Absolutely amazing. Some of the lights are out there. That's really out. And if this wind, we could see some actual power. Snow in some incredibly strong wind. This is the snowstorm blizzard of February 6th, 2010 in Delaware.